Hey everyone, Broker Bill back with you. I want to share some personal news this week that I think every single one of our clients, every retiree planning their next chapter needs to hear. This past week, Christine, Doug, and I moved. We left our beautiful 2nd Street location right in downtown Lewes for an older established community with a new construction home. Now, why would we leave our prime spot downtown? Simple. First floor living and a yard for Doug. It's bittersweet, of course. We absolutely loved being in the heart of the action. But we've always believed, and we preach this to all of you, life is too short to wait for the world to say it's the right time. You move when the desire and the urge hits you. And that's the Lewes lesson I want to pass on to you this week. We realized the time for low maintenance living and space for our dog was now, not next year. We love the charm of our downtown home, but stairs and constantly having to take Doug for walks in all kinds of weather became burdens, not benefits. The desire for first floor living, ease of access, and low maintenance is the #1 driver for retirees moving in Delaware right now. Don't wait until a health issue forces the move. Move while you can enjoy the simplified life. We preach that retirement is Act 2, your time to travel, enjoy hobbies, and spend time with family. But those experiences rely on cash and time. Downsizing frees up capital and eliminates maintenance stress. Don't let a large, high-maintenance home consume the time and money you should be spending living your dream. You might be thinking, I'll wait until next spring. But properties built for your needs, like single-level, age-targeted homes, are in constantly high demand. Inventory for these specific homes remains tight. When you find the right home, the right community, or the right yard for your Doug, you have to move decisively, just like we did. The decision to move is personal. It's emotional. But when you feel that tug, that desire for more convenience, more space for your dog, or simply a change of scenery, listen to it. Don't let what if or maybe later become too late. So from our new home to yours, the message is simple. If you know it's time to find that perfect first floor home, that ideal yard, or that community designed for your best life, let's not wait for the world. Let's make the move now. Thanks for tuning in to Broker Bill's Babble. I'm wishing you all the joy and decisiveness you need to live your life to the fullest, and have a wonderful week. Till next week, see you then. Bye.